The song we are performing is Earth by Little Dicky and features over 30 well-known artists of various ethnicities such as Ariana Grande, John Legend, and Psy.
The song also contains many references towards climate change, emphasizing the growing problem of global warming and raising awareness to the dangers it has on Earth, as well as urging listeners to begin to take action and contribute to ending climate change.
It stresses the importance of uniting together in order to be able to successfully defeat climate change, as it is a threat to all of humanity. It was released as a charity single to raise money for the Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation, which was dedicated to increasing environmental awareness.